Hey everyone, welcome back to Cool Wonders. Today, I'm going to share how I edit my YouTube videos and some simple tips that can help beginners improve their editing skills. Tip 1. Choose the right software. There are several beginner-friendly options out there like iMovie, DaVinci Resolve, or Adobe Premiere Rush. It's really important to pick software that suits your editing style. Find the one that feels comfortable for you. Tip 2. Basic editing techniques. Start with cutting unnecessary parts, adding transitions, and using audio adjustments. These small edits can make a huge difference in the final product. Tip 3. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are like super important because they are the first thing viewers see. They can really make or break whether someone clicks on your video. To make stunning thumbnails, you can use tools like Canva or Photoshop. These tools offer tons of templates and customization options to help your thumbnails stand out. A great thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. And those are my tips for editing videos. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.